Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a custom Roblox template for your group. First, we're going to open the image we're going to use as a background. We're going to resize page, and we're going to use these settings that are the ones for Roblox templates. Now we're going to create a new layer, and we're going to add the picture that we got from a Discord server that is going to be linked in the description so you can get it too. Now this is a personal preference. If you like it black, just leave it like that. If you want it white, just invert the image and merge it down with the other one. Go to the scissors and magic mask, and we're going to start removing all the green parts of our template so it's going to look like a PNG file. Now I'm going to add the text to my template, and I'm going to use these fonts that I got from the font, and they're going to also be linked in the description box so you can download it too. Now here we're going to download the pic as a PNG, and it's ready to use. This is a mobile tutorial if you don't own a PC. We're going to my server and look for the template we need to use. I'm going to use this one or this one. We have so many here. The app we're going to use is Ibis Paint. I'm going to import the picture of the template we just downloaded. Now I'm going to Pinterest to look for some inspiration to use for my background, and I just ended up looking for a Hello Kitty one that I liked. Now I'm just going to import the picture I'm going to use as a background, and it's this one. It's so cute. To hide our background, and we're going to selection layer, and we're going to magic wand and select all of the spaces that are going to be in PNG. Now we're going to a background and clear layer, and then unhide it and remove the selection layer because we're not gonna need it anymore. And I just put the background under the lines. If you want it, you leave it like that, but if you want it white, just import the other picture that you can download from Server 2. Create a new layer, clip it to the other one, and now we're going to brush, select the color white, and paint all of it white. After that, we're going to merge it down so it's only one layer. You can save it like this one if you don't want any font on it or group name, but save it as a transparent PNG. Here I'm just adding my Discord tags because I want to people, if they try to steal my template, that it has my name. And now I'm saving both of them, and I'm going to save them as a transparent PNG.